passport check. So first things first was to get my passport from my company, and hoof, I couldn't have any words to explain how happy I was and how relieved I was to have my passport back and be able to travel. The company used to keep all the passports for the employees. I'm not sure about the corporate employees, but yeah, that is life to expect in Dubai when you come to look for work. Good morning, good afternoon, beautiful people. Welcome to the Littlesilver channel. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through my first vacation trip to Kenya, and please do enjoy the video. And if you are already my community, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to, and don't forget to subscribe. We share positive vibes, inspiration to life, and all the risks we can take in between. So welcome. I want you to stay. I want you to stay. I would say getting to go on this vacation was extremely very necessary. I was physically, mentally, and emotionally worn out, and all I could do before my trip was just sleep, wake up and sleep. My body was just on almost complete shutdown. I was having anxiety attacks because it was quite unbelievable. Like, I felt I had been caged for 2 years without my passport. That's what I felt, because I didn't have freedom. So now I'm ready and I am headed to Healthcare City to take the vaccine. No, I'm sorry, to take the COVID test. Can't wait to go home. I want you to stay.
The next station is Dubai Healthcare City.
My goodness, I'm quite excited, but I'm also anxious because I don't want anything. I don't want any challenges that will make me not to go home. Like, I expect 2 results. What if it's positive? What if it's negative? I am not ready for the positive result, guys. I am. Oh, I'm breathing in. I'm way too excited to go home, to have another test result apart from negative. You guys, hiyo feeling ya kupimwa ukimwi ndio na feel every time unapimwa, but hayuko sure kunatokea aje, but I am quite hopeful. Hata vaccination niliachia katikati. So I have everything ready, and I'm doing a early check-in because I'm not sure about the weight of my bags. I might have packed way too much, so
so fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving something new. Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
Oh my goodness, I've been sleeping.
I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and I appreciate you. This video is to encourage you to take all the risks without fear. Life is going to be tough either way. Choices are there. The easy ones will not teach you lessons, but they will strengthen your ability not to give up. Handle yourself with delicacy, allowing your body to rest. Don't let it remind you that you need to take care of you. You need you in capital letters. This is the reality of many of the foreigners working here in the Middle East. You may actually ask, can't they quit? Yes, they can. However, think of the goal and if you're finding purpose in life. Being here has taught me lessons I never imagined I could. The experience has made me mentally strong and I have the best intentions for my life at this point. When I planned to leave my beautiful home, I came to seek freedom and healing. I didn't find freedom, but I had the time to heal and be best self with work as a better distraction and for sustenance. My goal is to live an intentional, fulfilling life, not guided by the daily chase of every single thing, but living and feeling of abundance. I am lucky to have freedom now, and I will treasure it for a lifetime. Oh yeah, the universe unchained me. So I hope you do this to yourself as well. Thank you.
So fragile, like it was built to break off the.
So hi, I finally arrived to the place I'll be staying. It's this place is located in Riverside Drive. It's pretty cool, cozy, small. Don't ignore the mess, okay? I just got here because I had I had a longer time at the airport. So I'm just unpacking. There's a TV, your own washroom, and then we have this view. Cheers, see you. We'll go to town and we'll be back. I love you so much. So that's update, and so far feeling so good to be home. It's so good to be. It feels good. I feel like I'm breathing fresh air for the last 2 years. In the long run, I want also to surprise my mom. I'll be staying in this place for 2 days, 2 nights, and I'll be checking out on 5th. Then from there, I'll take you with you, travel to the village, surprise my mom. I can't wait. It has been 2 years and it has been an emotional time for me, being away from family and the corona thing, and I can't wait to see how my mom reacts. I didn't tell her I'm coming, and I'm like, I was getting so overwhelmed with this planning of coming. Even to some point, I told my friend that the day before yesterday, it's like I had some mini anxiety attacks because I was going to the airport for an early check-in. I wasn't sure of my bags because, as you can see, there are 2 big bags. Even though I did send some stuff by cargo, I wasn't still sure if these bags are overweight or anyway, they were overweight, like 3 kilograms. So I had to remove 1 kilogram, and the attendant was good enough to allow me to like pass with 2 kgs. Let's head to town, get our nails done, and before my feet, it's so embarrassing, very. So these are the surroundings to my place. See, very serene. I like. Sasa M-Pesa inafanya
Unatakaje?
kutoa
Ngapi?
1000.
Sawa sawa. Sasa chukua ile manisi.
So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
Yeah.
Wana complain. Akaniambia saa hii napima tena wanarudi Dubai. Akanipatia pesa nyingi. Nikarudi. Nilikuwa nafikiria tangu aleta nini? Billions of fake ziliingia kwanza kabla. Kwa watu hapo wanajua. Sasa wanakaleta fake nini?
I am back, and the glamour is complete. The glamour is complete. Look at my eyebrows. Oh, my nose. So stupid of me, but yeah, the work is